rise to oppose the introduction of these three bills under Rule 70(1) of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business in the Lok Sabha. This bill is squarely destructive of the basic structure of the Constitution. अध्यक्ष महोदय, भारत का संविधान का जो मूलभूत ढांचा है वो ये कहता है कि कानून का राज होना चाहिए. There should be rule of law. और उस रूल ऑफ लॉ, कानून के राज की बुनियाद है कि आप बेगुनाह हैं जब तक आपका गुनाह साबित नहीं किया जाता. You are innocent until proven guilty. This bill stands that fundamental maxim of jurisprudence on its head. It makes an investigating officer the boss of the Prime Minister of India. The second ground on which I oppose this bill, it violates Article 21, the due process clause. FIR, arrest, charge sheet, and even framing of charge does not in any manner substantiate guilt. In fact, you plead not guilty only after charges are framed against you. This bill turns the fundamental jurisprudence of Article 21 on its head. Number three, it distorts parliamentary democracy, which is again basic structure, by displacing will of the people through mere custody, bereft of judicial determination. अध्यक्ष जी, ये बहुत ही संवेदनशील विधेयक है. मेरे दो बिंदु और हैं, मुझे कृपया. चौथा, on the fourth ground is it opens.
Please.
जो रूल 72 है वो दो चीज कहता है, एक लेजिस्लेटिव कॉम्पिटेंस, एक जनरल ऑपोजिशन ऑफ द बिल, जिसकी स्वीकृति आप दे सकते हैं. और क्योंकि ये इतना संवेदनशील विधेयक है, मैं आपसे ये विनती करता हूं इसके ऊपर पूरी चर्चा कराई जाए. मेरे सिर्फ दो बिंदु और हैं. दिस बिल, मिस्टर स्पीकर सर, सिर्फ दो बिंदु और हैं. This bill opens the door for political misuse by instrumentalities of the state whose arbitrary conduct has been repeatedly frowned upon by the Supreme Court. And finally, it throws all existing constitutional safeguards to the winds. Collective responsibility, judicial review, no confidence motion, and disqualification and conviction. And this makes this amendment excessive, unnecessary and unconstitutional. इसलिए मैं इन तीनों विधेयकों का पुरजोर विरोध करता हूं और गृह मंत्री से मैं ये आग्रह करना चाहता हूं कि ये तीनों विधेयकों को वापस लिया जाए.